Hey, hey.
Chill out. Chill out. Chill out. Chill out.
You said you got... The video for today is an incident where officers were dispatched to a call about a suicidal man. The officers arrived on scene and spent 27 minutes negotiating with the man, trying to get him to come outside peacefully. After a long period talking to the man through the front door, he advised that he was inside with a knife to his throat and had his younger sister in close proximity. With this information, the officers chose to force entry into the house. The man was taken to a local hospital for treatment. With all that being said, I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you learned something, and I'll talk to you soon.
911, what's the location of the emergency?
Hi, my boyfriend, well, ex-boyfriend, we have 3 kids together. He's saying that he's trying to commit suicide right now. He did the same thing last night, and I guess you guys took like an hour to get there, and he fell asleep before you got there, and he wanted to go to the mental hospital last night. Now he's saying he's gonna slit my throat open, and my mom and my grandma too. And he's literally bipolar. He's manic right now. He needs to go to the hospital.
Do we know where he's at right now, ma'am?
Yeah, 2486.
Is he there with you at this address or something?
No.
You're at another location.
Yeah, I'm safe.
Okay.
I'm fine.
Okay.
But I just need him to go be stabilized. I don't want anybody to meet him. And I'm pregnant again right now, and like a couple days ago he said he was gonna cut the baby out of me and all types of crazy shit. So I just
he's your children's father then?
Yeah, all 3 of them. And I know that these are empty threats because he's manic right now, but I don't know what he could do because he's manic, you know?
Somebody just yelled.
What?
Somebody just yelled.
I heard.
Hello, it's the police! Can you come out and talk to me? Hey, can you come out and talk to me?
No! Get the fuck out of here!
Come out and talk to me, please.
No!
Why not? He's yelling that I need a warrant. Come out and talk to me. $108 to your list.
108.
On a run, can we try a callback, please? He's saying we need a warrant to talk to him. He's yelling at us through the door.
Okay. Are you wanting to see if Amelia is there?
Yes, please. And if she is, can she come out and talk to us? Or if she's not, can we try to figure out a way to get him to come outside? He was yelling at me for a minute and then he stopped.
I heard. I haven't seen any movement of those.
You guys speak English? Yeah. Do you have his phone number? Do you have his phone number?
No, sir.
You don't know him at all?
We just say guys on time, but never wait talking.
Okay. All right, thank you.
108. She's texting him. She's not at that address. And she's trying to text him to convince him to come outside and talk to you. He's afraid he's going to get in trouble.
Okay, can we figure out if there's any family or anybody else in there with him since he was threatening to cut other people? If there's nobody in there with him and it's just him, not really a whole lot we can do.
She said, are you able to tell if there's a red car in the driveway?
There's no cars. There's no cars in the driveway.
Okay, then she believes he may be by himself, unless his younger sister is there, but she's not sure.
Okay, we'll try to figure something out. If you could just tell her to tell him that he's not going to get in any trouble. We just want to talk to him. Okay, it's probably MCR4 that's calling her, so we have another car coming out here, and then we'll wait till MCR gets out here, and we'll go from there.
Okay, she's not too terribly far from there, so if you need her to respond, if you just want to let us know, we'll try to give her a call.
Okay, copy, thank you.
No, we're just trying to talk. We're just trying to talk to him. Is he yelling?
42 Victor. She works on 48 Austin West Road.
Someone yelled at me, I can't hear anyone else.
He said he has a knife to his throat.
He did?
What do you want to do?
Hey, Darian! Darian, will you just talk to us, please?
103, go ahead and start this way on a 60. He's saying he has a knife to his throat inside.
Hey, Darian!
Go inside. Go inside.
Did you even check if the door was open? Yeah, I was just saying.
Talk to us, Darian!
Darian, is anybody else in there with you? Okay, where's she at? Where? Darian, where's your sister? She's right next to you?
I think we gotta go.
We gotta go? Okay. You want to kick?
I'll kick, you go.
She's right.
Hey!
Chill out. Chill out.
You said you had a knife to your throat.
I don't want
Keep your hands on your head, all right?
All right, man.
Come out here. Come out.
Trying to hurt nobody.
Walk out here.
He didn't have a knife to his throat.
Turn away!
He didn't.
Turn away!
Look, I'm not trying to hurt nobody.
Don't move!
I'm not trying to
Put your
hurt
hands together.
nobody, man.
Put your hand. Pray like you're praying. Let go.
I'm sorry.
Pray like you're praying.
Please, I did not want you guys to have to do this, man. I just wanted to calm down.
We'll talk to you.
I just wanted to calm down. I didn't want you guys to have to do this, man.
Okay.
Okay, you have a knife on you.
I don't have a knife. It's on the table right there.
We're not trying to put him in jail. I will talk to you in a second.
Okay.
Go back over there.
Walk out here.
Is there anybody else?
Listen, man, you said you had a knife to your throat. We have to make sure you're okay. We're gonna get you some help.
Please help me, man.
Okay,
Please don't make my situation worse.
Darian,
Please.
you're not in any trouble.
I don't have nobody to help me, man.
Okay, you got us, okay? Come on. Wait for this car. Brother, we're just trying to help you. You're not in any
I
trouble.
didn't know that. I have a hard time trusting anybody.
Okay.
Because I don't have nobody.
You're not in any trouble at all. We're gonna get you some help, okay? You gotta understand that when you tell us you have a knife to your throat, somebody's in there with you, we have to come in. Okay?
I didn't know that. I'm sorry.
Okay. Hold on a second.
I just thought it would make you guys leave. I don't know. I'm just not.
Well, when we get somebody who's having some problems like that, we can't just leave. You know that, right?
270,000, I told the phone to 68, please. We blank permanently.
Have you ever been diagnosed with anything?
I'm trying to get diagnosed bipolar right now.
Okay.
The counselor's making me wait till the 28th to come see her.
Okay. Well, you're gonna go to a hospital today. Okay.
Okay.
They're probably gonna diagnose you with something there. Have you
I'm
ever
not
taken
sure
any kind
what
of?
I have on me. I may have my wallet,
Okay.
a lighter maybe, possibly. I'm not sure.
Okay. I'm just gonna pull your wallet out, all right?
That's fine.
Nothing that's gonna poke me or stick me?
And hung up, then I have a high risk 31, 323 South Ogden.
We appreciate you complying with us.
19-year-old daughter.
That's the exact right thing to do. Now you're gonna go get some help, okay?